It is now our second day on the BATEY. It is 7:54 on Wednesday. I'm gonna head down to breakfast. I woke up like 30 minutes ago. Pretty sure everyone's been up for about an hour. We're gonna get breakfast and then we're going to head out. Breakfast, avocado. That was so fun though. The team is united. Sits up taller for breakfast time.
If you want.
Mina, what's it called?
I would suggest cutting it open.
Just bite. Bite.
You could get a sharper knife in the kitchen.
Wow, that looks super inefficient and non-effective.
You can open it. Yes.
Oh, you look, it's so soft. Okay, I'm staying corrected.
You just like cut a slice.
Wow, that was extremely elegant.
I feel like I can smell it from here. So it's kind of good.
Oh, it's white.
Oh, that looks like the seeds are
Holy moly.
No, you can't.
What does it look like, Jillian?
It's so different. These two.
I think I've had that.
Oh, it looks like a small version of Gorosol, yeah, but it's not. What does it taste like?
Gracias por el sueño reparador que nos diste anoche. Hoy podemos venir con nueva fuerza a laborar.
We're on the bus heading out. The prayer was made, and it's time to go. Next time you see me, we'll be on the new BATEY.
I was telling her.
I know. We're at the new BATEY, just getting the day started. School's next to us. There's a bus, and we're here. We're gonna start. It is 12:44. We are taking a lunch break. We saw quite a few people today. This one woman with cataracts, a lot of like musculoskeletal issues like back pain, waist pain, but a lot of it is due to just the hard labor of like cane cutting, you know? It's a bad position and every single day, all the time, it takes a toll. That was our translator. So now we're just inside our church. Gonna take a lunch break now, just moving all the food in. Then it's gonna be closed off so we're not like eating in front of people, you know? But that's the update. Later.
El otro. This is at home. Oh, he never came?
No, he was with us.
Oh, okay.
He's got a plate, and he's waiting for us down there.
It's like making a quick cameo. A little solo. Lunch has been had. Lunch finished. We're now going to, we split up. Here's the program. And we have an hour left. We're gonna try to see as many pages as we can. And we're gonna get back, get food, and go to the beach. That's the plan. See y'all. Here are the people. But now I found was praise break. Right. Done for the day. There's a squad. No, it's not looking. But we finished. It's almost 3, so we're just heading back to the van. And then over to the mission to change and to the beach. So that was that. Very exciting, very productive. And yeah. Just where we are. Mission 18. And we're back at the mission. We're just gonna change and head to the beach. I don't know why it takes so long to start working. Okay, well, we're in beach mode. Same dress, of course. But it's just a bathing suit underneath. It's like my do everything dress.
Do you know where the bathroom is?
Yep, so at the beach.
Oh, I love that water.
Each.
It's so good to go there.
The water is so beautiful. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'll turn around in 2 seconds. I'm not gonna record much actually. We're gonna have dinner on the beach. We're gonna watch the sunset, and then we're gonna head back. So apparently at as soon as the sun sets, we have to be off the beach because police come with guns, and that's just not cute. So that's what's happening. Just getting in my shot like that. Thanks so much. I went in the water. I went in the water a bit. We're in here getting some drinks, pina colada, stuff like that. Really happy. So happy with the water. Oh my god. The views.
don't know, especially because I know myself and I have faith.
Poor girl. Almost got like made to buy art.
I know.
It's hard to say no. Yeah, he was like, which one? I'll give you. I'll break down the price. Yeah, because at first he thought you were like playing hard to get. And then we're like, which? Not sure.
I
Sorry.
simply can't decide if I need this in my
Yeah,
home.
it's okay. So she can say no, and I was like, let's go. Such fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so apparently like life lessons have been shared, where if you get new goggles, you're supposed to like wipe them with toothpaste and wash that first layer off. And then if you don't want your goggles to fog, apparently spit in it, rub it, wipe it, and then things won't stick because reaction with water or something, and there's no fogging. Don't know, have not tried it, do not vouch for it, but just heard it from the people, and they're like obviously smart future doctors, so, and doctors. Take it as you will. La comida. Some like potato carrot pea salad thing. And meats. The things that I record, right?
Yeah.
Food. Ooh. A little jig from Emily.
Things we dance for, music.
Food.
There's no music, bro.
All the foods. Ooh. Food.
Yay!
And now for the sunset. Sunset. Oh, I'm recording that out.
Sunset.
Sorry. Oh god. Sunset. Are you, wait, keep moving. You got it. You passed it. Sunset. Oh, oops.
Yes.
So,
It's like randomly stand
have
there.
you guys ever been to Martha's Vineyard?
Yes.
Have you ever
Contemplative
been to
Nina.
Menemsha?
Been
There's
where?
a beach on the west. I think Martha's Vineyard is headed
The
on.
sun.
There's a beach
set.
on the western side of the
Wows.
island that faces
Wows.
where the sun sets. And it's like a
So we
thing
basically
where
just
you go
came to
there,
have
like,
dinner.
like, take out
Sunset
our
dinner.
pizza, and
Very
everything
romantic.
counts as
Group
the sun
bonding, you
goes
know.
down and you clap at the end.
Such fun.
It's so cute.
Such privilege.
And it's like it happens.
But you know what? Acknowledge. Tomorrow sunset. Bye. Bye, friend. And see you again tomorrow. It was so nice knowing you. Oh, man.
Also, fun fact. Did you know that due to refraction of light through the Earth's atmosphere,
Wow.
when the sun is just like sitting on the horizon,
Those three.
it is actually just set beneath the horizon, and the curve of the Earth and the refraction of our atmosphere bends the light beam so that it looks like it's up.
Smart people talking about the sun and science. Because why not? Okay, 7:34 and back. Back. Went inside the water, very happy, such joy. And I don't know if we're gonna end here or if we're gonna go out again, but I definitely really need a shower. So until later, either good night or later. You guys, they're just so sweet. So we went out and ate on the beach. We came back and there was like a full cake just sitting there waiting for us. They were like, we saved it for you. How's the cake?
Quite good.
Quite good? Be good? Super good? Outfit change occurred. Black pants and this top. It is 8:30-ish almost. We're just gonna hang out for the night, have a quiet night. And I'm gonna say goodnight here because I don't think anything exciting is gonna happen. I'll see y'all tomorrow. The adventure continues. Good night. Okay. I lied. I'm doing another clip because we spent like several hours talking. It's 11:03, and we were just there talking and sitting. And I was on social media. So tired. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Now heading to sleep. Bye. For real this time, actually. Good night.